Hello viewers, welcome to Node.js tutorial. Today I will describe about MongoDB Mongoose in Node.js. So what is Mongoose? Mongoose is an object modeling package for Node that essential work like ORM that you would see other language like Eloquent for Laravel. Mongoose allow us to have access to the MongoDB command for crude, simply and easily. Overview of Mongoose. We have model of our data. For example, consider that we are operating a store. Store has an item. Each item could have properties name, ID, price, discount, price, etc. With Mongoose, we can model our item and do insert or read from the MongoDB collection in terms of model object. Not bothering about the details of an object, Mongoose provide abstraction at model level. Mongoose schema versus model. Mongoose model is a refer on the Mongoose schema. A Mongoose schema defines the structure, the document, default values, validation, etc. Whereas a Mongoose model provides an interface to the database for creating, querying, updating, deleting record. Creating Mongoose model comprise primarily of three parts: referencing Mongoose, defining the schema, exporting the model. Reference Mongoose that require the MongoDB module. This reference will be same as one of this were written when we connected to the database, which means schema and model definition will not need to explicitly connect to the database. Defining schema. A schema defines document properties through an object where the key name corresponds to the property name of the collection. Suppose email schema, the new mongoose.schema. Here is the document email. This is the string type. Here we define the property called email. The schema type string mapped to the internal builder that will trigger when the model is saved to the database. It will fail if the database type value is not type string. The following schema type is permitted: array, boolean, buffer, date, mix, number, object ID, string. So how we can export a model? We need to call Mongoose model constructor on the Mongoose instance and pass it the name of the collection and the reference to the schema definition. So module dot export mongoose dot model this email. This is the email schema. The next video we will show how to install Mongoose module and how to connect the Mongoose with the MongoDB and how we can define the schema model and how we can insert the single document to MongoDB and how we can insert multiple document to MongoDB by Mongoose. Thank you so much.